In this video, I'm revealing 7 powerful plank variations to help you torch belly fat, build rock-solid core strength, and level up your fitness game. If you've been stuck doing the same old plank and not seeing results, it's time to shake things up. These exercises go beyond the basic plank, challenging your muscles in fresh ways while delivering maximum impact. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, these moves are designed to supercharge your workouts. Stick around to the end because I've put together a quick plank circuit to tie everything together. Perfect for torching calories and building strength in under 10 minutes. Ready to dive in? Let's go. 1. The standard plank. Before we get into the exciting stuff, let's revisit the classic plank. This move is foundational for core strength and body stability. Think of it as the gateway exercise that makes everything else possible. Start by holding your body in a straight line on your forearms and toes, engaging your core. If you've mastered this move, great, but get ready for some spicy upgrades that will challenge every muscle fiber. 2. Side plank twist. A dynamic variation to target your obliques and enhance rotational strength. It's perfect for anyone looking to sculpt those side abs while improving balance and coordination. Lie on your side, stack your legs, and lift into a side plank. Once steady, twist your torso toward the floor, then return to the starting position. This controlled motion is where the magic happens. Feel the burn yet? 3. Plank shoulder taps. This move isn't just about core stability. It challenges your upper body strength while forcing your abs to fight rotational forces. Start in a high plank. Tap your right hand to your left shoulder, then switch sides. The trick? Keep your hips steady, as if balancing a glass of water on your back. Controlled and precise is the name of the game. 4. Plank with leg lifts. If you want to engage your glutes while strengthening your core, the plank with leg lifts is a must-try. Begin in a high plank and alternate lifting one leg at a time. This subtle movement works your lower body while challenging your stability. Bonus points for keeping your form tight and resisting the urge to let your hips drop. 5. Forearm-to-Push-Up Plank. Let's get the whole body involved with the Forearm-to-Push-Up Plank. This exercise ramps up the intensity by transitioning between a forearm plank and a high plank. Not only does it engage your core, but it also works your shoulders, arms, and chest. Plus, it mimics real-life movements like pushing or lifting, making it functional and practical. 6. Plank hip dips. Want a move that targets your waistline? The plank hip dips have you covered. From a forearm plank, rotate your hips side to side, gently lowering them toward the floor. This twisting motion targets your obliques while enhancing flexibility and balance. Keep the movement smooth and controlled for maximum effect. 7. Bear crawl. Finally, the bear crawl, a full-body challenge to cap off your workout. This move blends core engagement, coordination, and endurance. Start on all fours with knees hovering off the ground, and crawl forward and backward with deliberate movements. It's fun, functional, and leaves no muscle untouched. Quick plank circuit. Ready to combine these into a killer routine? Here's your challenge. 1. 30-second standard plank. 2. 30-second side plank each side. 3. 30 seconds plank shoulder taps. 4. 30 seconds plank with leg lifts. 5. 30 seconds forearm to push-up plank. 6. 30 seconds plank hip dips. 7. 30 seconds bear crawl. Repeat for 2 to 3 rounds, and your core will be on fire. If you found these exercises helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more fitness content. Comment below, which plank variation was your favorite? Stay tuned for more transformative workouts here on the Wellness Compass, where we guide you to a healthier, stronger you, one step at a time. Let's crush those fitness goals together.